What's up everybody, Donald's here. Today I'm going to show you some simple mechanics just using duct tape and a hot pan glue. Let's do this. Have you ever had someone bring you their own container, want you to arrange some flowers on top of this beautiful container, and some customer own container, you don't want to damage it, but you don't know how to do the mechanic, but you have no way to cover the mechanic. You can't stuck the oasis into it because it's too big, so you want to just do something inside. How are you going to do this? So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to just show you one example. Really simple. You cut 3 pieces of duct tape. Before we doing the duct tape things, we're going to have an oasis already cut the size you want to arrange. So basically something like this, you want to put it in here. But sometimes the people will just dip into the hot glue and just glue it directly to the container. Bad idea. Because you don't want to damage the someone container, and also after that it's really hard to take it off. So what is the easy simple way to do this is using duct tape and cut 2 pieces of duct tape. I will cut probably 3 pieces. Before you put in the duct tape, make sure your container is clean, no dust and no water. The other thing is, make sure when you put the duct tape onto the container, no air bubble in between the duct tape and the container. Like this, nice and tight. And I will dip this oasis into the glue. Make sure you put the oasis into it. The glue is cover all around, not just only on the bottom, on the side, on the corner. What happened to this is, when you put water into the oasis, the water won't leak all over the place. Unless you have some container that can hold water, so you can just do on the bottom. But something like this, you have no way to holding any water source. This is a good way to holding the water source inside the oasis. I'm going to put the oasis directly onto the duct tape. Holding for 2 seconds, let them dry. Right now it's pretty solid. Hope you enjoy these tips and see you next time. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. See you next time.